In this video, I am going to show you how to create opinion poll on upshot.ai dashboard and how it looks on an end user's mobile app. After logging into the upshot.ai dashboard, under Gamify section, we choose Opinion Polls and tap on Create. Now give an appropriate name to your session. Now, give a preferred question. Now, give the relevant options for it. You need to choose the required text for submitting the question. Next, give an applicable text to display after submission and click on Continue. Select the type of chart you prefer, either a bar graph or a pie chart. Select the required tags for the display, under which we can select Allow Skip or Floating button as per our choice and click on Create. Activate it. And here you go.